If you want to copy and paste in Krita animation, especially on the timeline, this video is going to make that process quick and easy. Whether you're duplicating keyframes, moving poses, or reusing timing across your animation, knowing the fastest copy and paste methods can save you a ton of time. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Krita tips and animation workflows. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's look at the standard way to copy and paste timeline keyframes in Krita. This is the best method when you want to duplicate multiple frames or a section of your animation exactly as it is. Start by opening your timeline docker at the bottom of the screen. If you don't see it, make sure your timeline panel is visible so you can work directly with your animation frames. Now, left-click and drag your cursor over the frames you want to select. You'll see the frames highlight once they're selected. This is important because Krita needs to know exactly which keyframes you want to duplicate. You can select a single frame, a few frames, or a longer range depending on what you need to copy. Once your frames are highlighted, right-click on the selection and choose Copy Keyframes. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+C. That will copy the selected keyframes to your clipboard. This is the same basic idea as copying text or images, but here you're copying animation data, timing, and frame content. Next, click on the empty frame slot where you want to place the copy. Make sure you choose the correct spot on the timeline because the pasted frames will appear there based on the slot you select. After that, right-click the empty slot and choose Paste Keyframes, or simply press Ctrl+V. Krita will paste the copied keyframes into that location, keeping the timing and frame structure intact. This method is perfect when you want to repeat an action, reuse a pose, or extend an animation sequence without rebuilding it from scratch. It's also useful if you want to keep a consistent motion pattern across multiple parts of your project. If you're animating walk cycles, blinks, mouth shapes, or looping gestures, this can really speed things up. Now let's go over the fastest manual way to copy frames in Krita without opening the right-click menu. This method is especially helpful when you want to quickly clone a frame to another spot on the timeline. Start by locating the target keyframe you want to duplicate. Then hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While holding Control, left-click and drag the keyframe to an empty slot on your timeline. As you drag it, Krita will treat it like a copied version rather than moving the original frame. The key detail here is to release the mouse button before releasing the Control key. If you do it in that order, Krita will instantly drop a clone of the frame in the new location. This is a super fast workflow when you're building out animation timing and need repeated frames in a hurry. If you release Control too early, you may end up moving the frame instead of copying it. So just remember, hold Control, drag, drop, then release. Once you get used to that motion, it becomes second nature. So to recap, if you want precision in Control, use copy keyframes and paste keyframes from the timeline. If you want speed, hold Control and drag the frame to create a clone instantly. Both methods are useful, and the one you choose depends on how you like to work. If this Krita animation tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.